In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compose and send an email in Outlook. Whether you're drafting your first email or just need a refresher, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, we need to navigate to Microsoft Outlook. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Outlook website. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll see various options and menus, but to get started, focus on the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked the Sign In button, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This includes your email address and password. Make sure to enter these details carefully to avoid any errors. If you happen to have trouble signing in, double check that your caps lock is off and your credentials are correct. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the main Outlook dashboard. Now that you're signed in, let's compose a new email. On the main dashboard, look for the new email button, which is usually prominently displayed. It might be labeled slightly differently depending on updates, but generally, it's pretty easy to spot. Click on this to open a blank email template. The first thing you'll want to do is add your recipients. In the To field, simply type the email addresses of the people you want to reach out to. You can also use the CC and BCC fields if you want to include additional recipients. CC or carbon copy is used for recipients who should be made aware of the email content but aren't the main focus, while BCC or blind carbon copy keeps those recipients hidden from others. Next, it's time to enter your subject. The subject line is crucial as it gives your recipient a quick idea of what your email is about. Make it concise and relevant so there's no ambiguity about your message's purpose. With the recipients and subject set, it's time to type your message. Click in the main body of the email and start drafting your message. Feel free to use formatting tools to enhance the text, such as bolding or italicizing for emphasis, or adding bullet points if you have a list to share. Take a moment to proofread your message for any typos or errors to make sure it's clear and professional. Lastly, once you're satisfied with your email, it's time to click Send. This button is usually located at the top or bottom of the email window. Once you hit Send, your email will be on its way to your chosen recipients. And there you have it. You've just learned how to compose and send an email using Outlook. Remember, practice makes perfect, so the more you use this platform, the more comfortable you'll become. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.